Looking for a simple way to access your 2, 5 or 3, 5 SATA hard drives without fuss? The Sabrent DS-UTC2 SATA docking station supports desktop hard drives up to 10 terabytes, letting you plug and play with no drivers required. Whether you're transferring files or cloning drives, it's designed to speed up your workflow and keep things hassle-free. What makes this docking station stand out is its support for USB 3.1 Gen 2, delivering transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. That means large files move quickly, saving you valuable time. Plus, it's backward compatible with USB 3.0, 2.0, and even 1.1, so it works with almost any computer setup you have. I tested the DS-UTC2 when my desktop suddenly failed to boot. I needed to retrieve important data from the old hard drive, so I simply removed it and plugged it into this dock. The device recognized the drive immediately, and I was able to transfer my files to a new PC without any technical headaches. It was a straightforward, stress-free experience. Beyond basic file transfers, the Sabrent docking station includes a standalone hard drive duplicator function. This lets you clone a source drive directly to a target drive without connecting to a computer. Just remember, the source disk must be equal or smaller in capacity than the target. It's a perfect feature for backing up or upgrading drives efficiently. The caseless design makes swapping drives effortless, no tools or enclosures needed. You can quickly insert or remove drives, making this an ideal solution for tech professionals or anyone who frequently works with multiple hard drives. It's a practical tool that simplifies managing your data storage. If you handle large files or need to clone drives regularly, the DS-UTC2 is worth a look. Its combination of high-capacity support, blazing USB 3.1 speeds, and the duplicator feature delivers real value without complicating your setup. It's a reliable companion for data recovery, backups, or expanding your storage options. Ready to simplify your hard drive management? The Sabrent DS-UTC2 SATA docking station offers fast, easy access to your drives and powerful duplication capabilities all in one device. Try it when you're ready to upgrade how you handle your data.